about segment addition, which was, part of a line is a segment, adding them together to find a whole. Doing the same thing now, except we're going to talk about angles instead of segments. So for our front page of our foldable, if point B is in the interior of angle AOC, then the measurement of those inside angles, so AOB plus BOC, is going to equal the measurement of AOC. All right, so let's draw a picture to make that make more sense. So since it said AOC, we have AOC with the interior point being B. So it should make sense that this little angle and this little angle all together should add up together to make this big angle. That's what all that fancy word means, okay? And then the next part just says, what if it's a straight angle? Remember, a straight angle has 180 degrees, so those two measurements just add up to 180 degrees. And so what does that look like as an example? What is the measurement of RST? So RST is here. If WST is 50 degrees and RSW, being the outside angle, the big one, RSW is 125 degrees. Okay, well, let's see. If I know the big angle and I need to find the other little angle, I'm going to subtract to get 75 degrees. Check your work. Does 75 degrees plus 50 degrees give you 125 degrees? Hopefully the answer is yes. What's that look like with a straight angle? Okay, remember, a straight angle is 180 degrees when it's straight. Okay, so I won't put this there, but the straight angle is 180 degrees. This is 145 degrees. So 145 plus what gives me 180? So some of you may just be doing some mental math, counting up, using fingers. Others may just subtract to get 35 degrees. You always want to make sure, just quickly check your work, use a calculator if you have to. Does 145 plus 35 degrees give me 180? Yes, yay. Okay. One last example to end the notes. In this example, we now have algebra. Sometimes that makes it tricky for some of us, but I'm going to get you through. So this time we know that ABD is 127 degrees. So the big angle is 127 degrees. And I know that the two little angles are going to add together to get the big angle. So I'm going to take little angle number 1 plus little angle number 2. And together, that should give me 127 degrees. Okay, we want to combine our like terms. So what is 3x plus 2x? Notice, time out, I'm not subtracting here because I'm not moving it to the other side of the equal sign. They're on the same side, so I just combine like terms. 3x plus 2x is 5x. Do the same thing with negative 4 plus 1, which is negative 3. Now I have a two-step equation, so I'm going to add 3 and divide so that x is 26. Now, take a second and pause if you need to. Do some of those calculations. Maybe we don't know 130 divided by 5 in our head. Okay, use a calculator, do long division, whatever. All right, once we get x equals 26, did we answer the question? So we have our measurement, but it says find ABC. We have not found the measurement of angle ABC. So for the measurement of angle ABC, that equals 3x minus 4. But instead of x, I'm going to put 26 there. I'm then going to do those calculations. You can do it in 2 steps. You can just type it all in your calculator. Whatever floats your boat. But you should get 74 degrees. Okay. And for the second one, we're going to do the same thing here. So for DBC, that equals 2 times 26, because x is 26, plus 1. Again, calculator, whatever floats your boat, 53 degrees. One last check to make sure we got it right. What is 74 plus 53? Oh, that's 127 degrees. Sounds like I did something right. And this concludes angle addition postulate.